Remember when you said we'd stay together now until forever.
Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to Ezee Tech, the only one place where you can find true and honest electronic reviews. And today our topic is the newest Dyson, the Dyson V11. I honestly guys just got it about an hour ago and I'm really excited to open it and show it to you. So basically the box looks exactly the same as the V10, so let's open it and see what is inside. So guys, the main question is, why should you buy the V11? Why is it better than the V10? So first of all, the V11 has 20% more suction than the V10 and it comes in two models. The cheaper model is about $5.99. It's a Dyson V11 Animal. And the difference between the top version, which is $6.99, it's Animal one, it doesn't have the LCD monitor. Another cool thing about the Dyson V11 compared to V10, you usually have two vacuuming modes. It's rather the boost mode or the echo mode. In the V11, you can find three modes. Let me show you a little bit closer. For example, if we're going to be vacuuming in echo mode, right now this vacuum has 25% battery. It's gonna last us about 31 minutes. If we switch it out to medium mode, it's gonna be about 17 minutes. And the boost mode, you can hear it's pretty loud, so the suction, guys, it's pretty insane. It's really intense. And in boost mode, you can hear how loud it is. It's gonna last you about 4 minutes on 25% battery. So if you count it a little bit, if it's fully charged, it's gonna last you about 15 minutes on full charge in the boost mode. Guys, it's time to compare these two vacuums. Here on the left, we have a Dyson V10 Animal, and right here on the right, we have a brand new Dyson V11 Absolute. From the first side, you can see that the Dyson V11 is a little bit bigger, the handle is a little bit bigger, and even like holding in your hands, the weight of this one, I can feel like it's a little bit bigger, but it's not such a crucial difference. Another thing that I noticed also, LCD, no LCD. The only thing how you can track your battery on the Dyson V10 is just by looking at this little indicators bar. When you use it, it lights up. For example, in this one, and you vacuum, you know exactly how much time you have left. Alright, so I think we cleared all the differences between the V10 and the V11, and let me know in the comments below, for example, which V11 would you get, the Absolute or the Animal? And it was Ezee Tech with you guys. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome and amazing reviews.